Okay, we are at the booth of SPIC, and could you please tell us what is the most important product you are promoting here at the show?
Yes, in the show is our new design for the TBC modules, and like this one, the efficiency is 23.2, and we have so many advantages of this panel, and very low the hot spot temperature, and the very good low light response, and the appearance is elegant black, and you can see in the sales there is no bus bar in the front, and all our bus bar in the back sheet. Yes, and it's more elegant for the overseas sales market. Yes.
So this is mainly promoted for Europe?
Yes, for the Europe market, it's very popular.
Okay, and when the product is available commercially?
When about the end of this year, and for the TBC, the new design. Yeah, so we have the mass production.
So this product is mainly promoted for rooftop applications?
Yes, for the rooftop, and also this one, some customers can use it for the building wall. Yeah, different application.
So what is the output power of this module?
For this module, this is very small size, so the power is 385. But for the more higher size, we also our highest the power can reach 419. Okay, hello. And for this one is our bifacial module, solar module, and for this is a white module, and you can see in the front side no bus bar, and on the back sheet you can see all bus bar on the back sheet, because this technology is back contact, so this is TBC module. Yes, you can more closer. And this one we also exported to Europe so many, and this is for the half cut when they have the covers, and the hot spot is very good when they have covers, and the module will not to short, will not to stop the electric. It's very good. It's the first choice for the rooftop and for the power stations. Thank you.
And what is the bifaciality of this module?
But this one has the high efficiency. The efficiency can up to the 24.2%, and the power is about can reach to 490 power watts. Yes.
And is it available commercially?
Yes. Very.
So, can I order it now?
Yeah, no problem. Welcome. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.